Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my experience with a fast and well-balanced gaming monitor I've been using, the LG Ultragear 27-inch 2K 240Hz monitor. I bought this monitor from Amazon using the link in the description. So if you're planning to buy it, make sure to check the same link for the best price and available offers. First thing, this monitor feels made for competitive gaming. The 240Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time make gameplay feel extremely smooth and responsive. In fast shooters and racing games, motion looks very clean, and tracking enemies feels easier compared to normal 144Hz displays. The QHD resolution on a 27-inch screen also feels like the perfect balance. Games look sharp and detailed without putting too much pressure on your GPU, like full 4K monitors, combined with the IPS panel. Colors look vibrant and viewing angles are excellent. Another thing I liked is the support for both NVIDIA G-Sync compatible and AMD FreeSync Premium. Gameplay stays smooth without screen tearing, which makes the overall experience feel much cleaner during fast movement. For console gaming, the HDMI 2.1 support is a big advantage. It works really well with modern consoles and supports high refresh rate gaming properly, so you're not limited to PC use only. Picture quality is also surprisingly good for a gaming-focused IPS monitor. The DisplayHDR 400 support and DCI P3 color coverage make games look colorful and lively. It's not OLED level contrast, obviously, but overall visuals still look very clean and enjoyable. The stand is another plus point. You get tilt, height, and pivot adjustment, so it's easy to set up comfortably for long gaming sessions. If you're thinking of buying it, check the Amazon link in the description.